Yeah?
Yeah.
So I will put the Mini Pro here.
Yeah, okay, so what do we have here?
So here we have the two new phones from us that we announced this Sunday, or last Sunday. It's the X10 Mini and the X10 Mini Pro. These we see as compact and clever, and they are used for or made for one-hand touch. So as you see here, we have our home screen, and we have four corners that we use this for your favorite applications. And that is of course because it's very easy when you use it with one hand to find the corners. All corners are customizable, so you can change what you have here by pressing the menu key, then edit menu, and now you've got the screen where you can see all your applications you have in the phone, and then you just tap and you hold, let's see here, tap and hold, let's see here, like that, and you drag it and you release it and you will have it there. Same way you can do it in the normal menu here, so you can just rearrange by doing like this and you just move them around. In the home screen you can also see the widget, and if I slide sideways you will see all the widgets that I have at the moment in the phone. The widgets you can add very easy, you can rearrange them in whatever order you want them by pressing the menu key again, edit widgets. And here I have the widgets, and see there is a blue or white cross on a blue square, and that is if you want to remove it. If you want to add it, you just have to scroll through all the widgets you have. Let's see here, many widgets now. Add widget, and then you get a list of all the widgets you have, and you can just choose one. If you want to rearrange, just press, it magnifies, drag to the side, and then release, and it's in a new spot. So, and also, when we just to go into one of the applications, since it's a very small screen, when you, for instance, write messages, instead of having a onboard QWERTY or a virtual QWERTY, we use this more standard 12 key with predictive input. So if you want to write something, you do it the normal way that you do on normal phones, not touch phones. So I push that three times, like this, and if you have a word that you want to find in the list, you just push the arrow and we get a list of many words, or you can add your own word. Up here you can change the language, and also you can change between quick text and multitap. And quick text, that is with predictive. One really good thing that we share with the X10 is Timescape. Timescape, here we can see the widget of Timescape, and now it shows the latest update I had in the phone when it comes to my communication. If I press here, it opens up the whole application. So here you can flip, and this is chronologically. You can flip all the happenings you have: Facebook, Twitter, messages, and phone calls. So here I can slide. I can sort this by pressing the corner again to only messages, for instance. Then I can press a message, and here I can reply to that message. In this Timescape you can also upload your status to Facebook, and you can Twitter, if you have a Twitter account. Yeah.
So this is on top, you made this interface on top of Android?
This is on top of Android, yeah. So we use Android as a base for this, and then we add our own user interface to make the whole user experience the best possible you can.
And it's Android 1.6 right now. Do you plan to upgrade it?
We will upgrade the whole UXP, as we call it, the user experience, this year. Absolutely. We will do that. Oops, turned off.
Okay, so and this one is the Xperia Pro. It's just has a keyboard, and it's almost the same.
Exactly. Software-wise, it is the same. What we have done is to make two versions of almost the same phone. As you see, they are pretty similar. Yeah. As you see, the X10 Mini is a little bit smaller. It's shorter and it's thinner. But what is hidden underneath is the QWERTY keypad. And when you open it, let's see if I have the phone on. It has demo content because mine is empty. Let's see here, we do it like this instead. So let's close it. So as you see, when I open it, it automatically flips to the horizontal view. You will get the same kind of functionality that I have with the other phone with widgets. Also Timescape will work in the same way. You have the menus from the below. You have the notification bar here. If we go into, for instance, here to the, this was not the correct. You will do that in that way, so that was a bad choice. Yes, absolutely. Let's take this instead. So this is a phone book. Here you have two tabs. You have one where you have all your contacts, and here you can search. So you can just write something. Andy. Yeah, you already have Andy here, so you can take something. No contacts. This is typical. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Let me find one. So if we do it like this, Simon, and then I get Simon. Otherwise, I have my favorite contacts. I just press the plus sign, find the contact, and I've added it, and I get a picture. And here I can have basically as many as I want to. Go back again. Let's try messaging. Here are only messages, just the same way, just the other direction. Go into a message, or find the string that I have, or I can just write a message. Hi. You. Now, if I close it and turn it and write, I will get the same kind of keypad as I have at X10 Mini.
Okay, great. Thank you.